Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Black Panther. It's gonna be super easy and fun, so come join us. All right everyone, let's get started. Let's grab whatever markers or crayons, whatever we're drawing with, and let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do for Black Panther is we're gonna draw a curve like a rainbow. So I'm gonna start somewhere here. I'm just gonna make a big rainbow. And I left space at the top and on the sides. So I'm gonna come back down here and finish the rainbow. So I sort of stopped at the same spot, pretty even. And then from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw two curved lines that go in, just because his face is gonna come in at the bottom more. So here's one curve. I just drew a curve in, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So from here, we could continue as if we were gonna make a circle, but we're just gonna come in skinnier. So that's why I did the curve in. So here, I'm gonna come in a little bit more from this curve, and I'm just gonna make a big curve like a smiley face that connects to this side. So there we have the outline of his head. So it was like a circle, but we went in a little bit more. And then from here, we could draw the details of his face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a curved line that goes up to here. We're just gonna draw a curved line like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So I went in a little bit from this line. And then from here, I'm gonna draw one horizontal line connecting these 2 points. From here, we could draw his eyes. So for his eyes, they're gonna be like almonds or like ovals with a point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a point up here, leaving space here and towards the top. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a curve coming down to this line. So I'm gonna make a curve that kind of looks like a hook. And then I'm gonna make a curve that comes up to here. So here we have one eye, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So there we have his eyes. They look super cool. And then from here, we could just draw some more details. So from this curved line that we made in, I'm gonna make one diagonal line that comes to the right. And then I'll do the same on this side, but it'll go to the left. And then I'm gonna copy the same design, so like a curved line and a diagonal line right underneath it, leaving a little bit of space. And I'll do the same thing on this side. So here are little details. Let's say in his suit for his nose, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna draw two diagonal lines, leaving a little bit of space from his eyes. I'm gonna come down and make a diagonal line like that. Do the same thing on the left side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one curve like a little rainbow connecting the 2 points. And just like we copy this, we're gonna copy the same thing for the nose. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of space and do the same design. And that's like part of his nose. So from here, we could do his body. So for his body, we're gonna do his necklace first, actually. So his necklace helps him get his suit. So that's like the coolest thing ever. His suit has vibranium, so it makes him super strong. So what I did is I came down from the head, left a little bit of space like where his neck is. I'm gonna draw a point. And from this point, I'm gonna draw two diagonal lines that look like the top of a triangle. And then in the middle of this, like where I drew the point, I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna draw another point, and I'm gonna make two diagonal lines to this point. So this is his necklace that gives him his super strong armor suit. That's vibranium. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make two curves like a smiley face that connect to this. So I'm gonna make a curve that goes to his face on this side, and then I'll do the same thing on this side. So this is gonna be part of his necklace. And then from here, we could draw the other spikes that come out of his necklace. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a diagonal line that comes to a point, and then I'm gonna draw another diagonal line that connects to this. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space, and I'm gonna draw another one. And then I'm gonna do the same design on this side. And then from here, we could draw the other layer of the necklace, just like the big curve. We'll do the same thing, just not going through the spikes. So there we have his necklace. Look how cool that looks. And then we could continue with his body. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a curve for where his arm's gonna be, and I'm gonna go a little past this diagonal line that we made, and I'm gonna make a curve, and I'm gonna stop maybe somewhere like right over here. So I'm gonna just make a tiny curve. This is gonna be his arm. And then what I'm gonna do is one hand, we're gonna draw his claws, where he could like scratch everyone and fight them. And then in this one, we're just gonna make his fist. So here, I'm just gonna make like a big curve, almost as if I was gonna make a circle, just not the bottom of the circle. And I'm gonna curve it like this. So this is like his fist. And from here, I'll fix this line. And then for the inside of his arm, I'm gonna make that same curve that we made, just shorter. So I'm gonna come up here and I'm just gonna stop somewhere here. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw one vertical line that goes to his hand. So here we have his arm and the side of his body. On this side, we could start drawing his claws, or we could do the little details of his hand here. We're just gonna draw lines here where his fingers go. So for his thumb, it's gonna curve to the left. And then we're gonna do 3 more that are gonna curve to the right. So that's his fist or his hand. And then here we're gonna draw his hand with his claws. This part is gonna be super fun. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw his thumb first. And what I'm gonna do is, right towards here, I'm gonna draw a curve. So we could draw his arm, the outside of his arm first. I'm gonna draw a curve like this. And then from here, I'm gonna draw a curve that goes up, a little bit off from this, a curve that goes up and that drops down just a little bit. From here, I'm gonna draw the peak or the little triangle, and we're gonna draw a long, sharp nail. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a curve to a point, and I'm gonna draw a curve to a point to connect here. Here's one sharp nail, and then we could finish his thumb by making a curve that goes in and up. So there we have the start of his thumb. We could draw his pointer finger. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna draw the top of a triangle like we have been. So I'm gonna make one diagonal line and one diagonal line like this. And then here, I'm gonna draw something that looks like a hill or like an oval that connects to this point. So I'm gonna come up, curve back down like this. So that's like his finger like this. And then we could draw the sharp nail. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make a curve to a point, and then bring this point or a curve back to his finger. See that sharp nail? So then we're gonna draw a little bit of space in between his fingers, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a curve like a smiley face on its side, like this. And then we're gonna do the same nail. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make that triangle, and then we're gonna do 2 more that just curve to its side. And instead of going up this time, we're gonna go down and then draw another nail. We're gonna go up this time now. And then now when we draw the oval, instead of a curve, it's gonna be flat on top. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come out like an oval. So if I was gonna make an oval, I'm gonna go flat and then curve to this point, just like that. And then we could draw the nail. Do you see his claws? He looks so scary right now. And then what we could do is, we could draw the inside, like where his palm is. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make a curve just a little bit more in from here, like this. And then I'm gonna make one curve that's a little bigger that connects right here to his pinky. And there we have his palm. And we could do the little details. So like of his thumb, right here, I'm gonna make one curved line that looks like a smiley face. And we could draw the little lines on his hands. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make one line like this, one line like this, and this line the opposite way. So there we have his claws, so he could fight. And then we could draw this side of his body. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a vertical line as well from this nail. Stop it there. And then this little triangle section, we could draw right here as well. So going past his nail, we could come up, and then we could come back down like a triangle for his arm.
That's so cool.
There we have his arm. And now we could do the little cool details of his face. So right in the middle of his head, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna draw 2 vertical lines. And I just left a little bit of space in between the vertical lines. And then we could draw 2 diagonal lines connecting to each other.
That's nice.
So that's the middle of his face. And then we could draw the rest of his mask. So from here, from his eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line that dips down and then back up to his face. And then I'll do the same thing on this eye. And then right here, right next to his eye, I'm gonna draw a vertical line. I'm gonna draw one more right next to it. And then this one's just gonna go up a little bit more. And then from here, I'm gonna draw one diagonal line to the right. We'll do the same to the bottom. And then we could draw one line that goes up to his head. We'll do the same thing to this one. So that's one cool little detail. And then we'll copy the same design on this side, just the opposite way. So instead of diagonal going right, it'll go left.
Amazing!
And then we'll do one more design like that. So right on his eye, we're just gonna leave a little bit of space. I'm gonna draw a vertical line. And then I'm gonna draw another vertical line that's super close, like this. Then from here, we could draw one diagonal line to the right and copy the same on the bottom. And then we're gonna go up to his head. And we could copy the same design on this eye.
Wow, just wow.
And then from here, we could draw his ears. That's all we really have left. So for his ears, they're gonna be pointy like a cat. And what we're gonna do is from this little line that we drew, I'm gonna draw one diagonal line to a point. And cat ears are like triangles, so that's what we're gonna do. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to his head in between his eye and this line that we drew, and it's just gonna be one curved line. There we have one ear, and then right in between these two lines, we're just gonna draw one vertical line that is from this point. There we have one ear, and then we're gonna copy the same design on this ear.
So cute.
All right, guys, so there we have Black Panther. He looks super cool.
Yes.
He's ready to protect all his friends and family and protect you guys. So let's grab whatever color pencils, whatever crayons we have, and let's get started. Right, guys, so there we have Black Panther. He looks so cool. So I did different color grays. This is like his skin color. I did a lighter gray on his eyes and on his palm. Our palms are usually lighter than our hands. So I did like a lighter gray. I did the purple on his vibranium suit, but there he is. And hopefully you guys found it easy and fun.
Yes.
Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel to see more drawings of Marvel characters, Disney characters, whatever you could imagine. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.